Hi guys, Tracy here. Welcome to the sewing channel. Well, I've been wanting to do the tutorial on this mask for a couple weeks now. This is not a medical channel. I just want to make sure I go ahead and say that right up front. This mask is for mainly dust and particles in the air. And if you want to make it a better mask, you can always triple and quadruple up the fabric. Go ahead and print out the pattern. There should be a link below, and we'll go ahead and get started. Here you're going to cut two pretty pieces of fabric, 2 pieces of fabric for the back, and 2 pieces of batting, and 100% cotton on that fabric. Here you're going to take the 2 back pieces, pretty sides together, or good sides together, and then the batting both on the outside of that like a little sandwich, and you're going to sew just around the round part. Now take your pretty fabric, put it together, and sew just on the round area. Now you're going to take and nest the pretty side to the back good side of the fabric, and the batting is on the outside as you can see there, and nest them just like 2 little bowls. Now you're going to sew a straight stitch across the bottom, that straight part, and then that hump area straight across there, leaving the ends open. Now turn it right side out. Tuck the sides in about 1/4 of an inch. Just tuck right inside there, press it real good, and then you're going to give it a stitch all the way down to close it up here in a minute. Go ahead and top stitch right down the middle, down one side and back up the other. It makes for a really nice finish. Now sew the ends, both ends closed. Fold the flap over, sew down, but be sure to leave the tube there. If you don't want to push the elastic through that tube later, what you can do is what I did here, lay the elastic down as you sew the tube up, but be sure not to sew on the elastic. Well guys, I think the project turned out great. What do you think? Don't forget, like and subscribe, and I'll be bringing you more tutorials just like this. All right guys, take care and stay well.